What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we got a special little box over there. If you saw my previous video, you guys saw the unboxing of the mid-pipe and the valve controller, and then after that I installed the valve controller itself. So today we are installing the mid-pipe. So we're on the way to Rodspeed right now, and I think my boy with the frozen white M3 is getting his car back today. We're gonna do some before and after clips of the exhaust, and I cannot wait to hear what it sounds like. It's gonna make such a huge difference. Make sure you drop a like right now, comment, hit that subscribe button, because over 90% of you still aren't subscribed, and I'm watching you guys. So help your boy out, support. You guys know you love this channel, man. I'm taking you along, seeing the South Florida car community and doing DIYs and all that stuff. So show some love to your boy and subscribe. I appreciate all the support so far, and we're gonna keep going. Stay tuned for this new mod, and I'll catch you guys at Rodspeed. What's going on, brother? It's been a while since I've seen you, bro.
I know, bro. Actually, it has.
No car meets. I think it was Supercar Saturday, right?
Yeah, and it was only for like a little bit too, because I had the fam with me.
Yeah, that's right.
So
they liked it. They liked the show.
Yeah, but it was too hot.
Yeah, it was hot.
We had to get them water like quick.
Yeah, we were on their too the whole time.
What's up?
What's going on, brother? Long time. How you been? Chilling?
Hella good.
Boy on a mission.
This car is so sick. I don't know if you saw the trunk. The lip on the trunk, it's like blended with the.
Oh, with the car, with the trunk. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is clean.
This car right here.
Oh, I see.
With the clears.
Yeah. Damn, that's pretty sick. It's like, never seen that before. We got an MR2 over here. You probably got a 2JZ in there. Manual, of course. He's Dominican. Oh my God, no.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, no. Oh my gosh.
You gotta say that shit like al alpha.
Oh my God. Yeah, the 720S. This is like midnight purple from BMW. Something like that. Color's sick.
Yeah, midnight actually. Yeah.
And then I don't know what wheels those are, but those are clean too. Bagged. Shout out Corey too, clean. Rodspeed always got the cars out here. Ayo. It's not ayo, it's ayo.
Bro, I gotta send this to my boy. He has one of these.
Damn, this is wild. RC. Look at the X6M over here. That's like a stealth PPF, I think. I think it's sick. And you got Dini's frozen gray M3 over here. It's just fire. Let's take a look at what they got in the shop. Love that AM1. Shit, a little Cord wagon. Oh, the Agile M4. This is Swan River Racing over here. We seen that at Beamer Invasion. It's fire. Yeah, look at those taillights. That's pretty sick.
Yo, you do not see that anywhere.
Damn, he's got the most important parts exposed, right? The reverse light and the brake light. That's all you need. That's pretty clean. Look at this. Look at this, bro. This Agile kit is so clean. So fire. That boy getting in alignment. She got the buckets, the starlights. Look at that steering wheel. It's so fire. Those wheels are clean, carbon ceramic brakes.
That's literally next level.
Look at those headlights. Fire. And that front bumper with the splitter. The grill. The grill grew on me a lot,
yeah,
bro.
it's dope.
And then the hood. Look at that hood. Carbon hood. Here's a 240. Adrian, what's up?
This is just got wrapped. This white M8. Just got wrapped to.
Oh, this is like urban green,
Nah,
right?
this is olive green.
Olive.
Army green from the nose.
Fire. There's a P car, NSX over there. Told you guys, they Rodspeed don't miss. They got all the cars. They got skateboards if you guys want them too. We're gonna do the before clips right now, and then we're gonna show you guys part of the install, and then the after clips. We're gonna do valves close with comfort, and then open, and then valves close with sport M1, and then valves open with M1. honestly, that doesn't even sound that bad, but I'm gonna show you guys the mid-pipe I'm going with. If you guys didn't see the last video, I'm going with the IRL non-resonated single mid-pipe, and there it is. This is the pipe that comes from the downpipes, and it has obviously it deletes the resonators and also the secondary cats, and then it connects to the axle back. They have to cut the existing exhaust, the stock exhaust. They have to cut it right before the axle back and then clamp the new one on. So I was gonna DIY it myself, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna risk it and just save some time and film some good content. As soon as they start putting it on the lift, I'm gonna try to get some content of them installing the mid-pipe, and then we're gonna do the after clip, so stay tuned for that. Let's go back to Dini's car over here. Let's see what he got planned for it. Sneaky. He got something under the hood for it. Not literally under the hood, but like in the works.
Yes,
bro, I need those intakes. I need them.
That's next, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
Supposed to be, or the downpipes, I don't know.
Ooh.
Trying to be like you, my boy. I just spilled the beans. Tell them what's up, tell them what's next.
Yeah, man, so you heard it already, but at the Fat Boy Mad downpipes coming through.
When do they come in?
June 14, I think.
Oh,
so
shit.
Like a couple more weeks.
Right,
I'm actually
right
gonna
around
be
the corner.
Out of town, but as soon as I'm back, it's getting put on.
Yeah, that boy always out of town.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
I think you go out of town so that you keep your miles low. I'm convinced.
Yeah, the jig is up. You guys are on to me.
Bro, this thing is so freaking clean. And that interior, oh man.
Yeah,
with the frozen paint.
Man.
Yeah. And then your boy, you say you got a manual frozen gray too,
yeah,
right?
He just got it. He was asking me about PPF, so.
Okay, he's in South Florida?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think
shit.
he's more towards you guys.
Really?
Further north.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool.
So.
And we gotta meet him. We gotta have him come through.
I know, bro.
To the next car meet or something.
That's probably gonna be our own, man.
Yeah. We gotta throw that. We gotta throw it down.
I got the sequential turn signals.
Oh,
coming.
okay. For the mirrors?
Yep.
Nice.
And I've got the GTS tail lights smoked.
Tail lights, fire.
Yep.
Oh shit. Right behind you, we got another.
Let's go.
We got another M3, Alpine white. Who's this?
Oh, looking fire.
Wait, is that? I couldn't tell. I thought that was Raw.
No, his car's inside.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looked like
Me
him.
up too. I'm like, wait a second.
Yeah, right?
Wow.
I was like, who's that, bro? It looks like Rob, bro.
Yeah, so I got the GTS tail lights, the sequential turn signals. I decided to get the M puddle lights for the front.
Oh,
doors.
okay. Nice.
You know, something like
the
that.
little details.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
And then the Fat Boy Mad pipes, man. I mean, down pipes, man. I'm really excited for that. That's probably the mod I'm most excited about.
Fire.
Yeah, man.
I can't wait to see this and hear it.
And
hear that thing.
I got some you know, interior mods coming.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm working on a
Do I know about
steering wheel.
Oh, the steering wheel.
Yeah, man.
Under construction.
Under construction right now. TBD.
Yeah.
On what it's gonna actually look like, but.
And people know, like, these cars, you can't stop modding them. Like, once you're done with the outside, you got a whole different ball game on the inside.
Bro, exactly, and that's not even counting the wheels that are gonna be done next. Like more.
You just don't tell your wifey what's up, right?
Nah, yo, don't watch this.
Any of the other boys pulling up? I think Ross pulling up, right?
Yeah, Ross pulling up.
I think Charles pulling up in his M4 too. He got it lowered.
Oh.
He got it lowered, finally.
Let's go.
Yeah,
About
bro.
time.
That boy Dini said, let's go for a ride. Oh, shit.
That's wifey's seat setting, so
It's alright, bro. I'm not gonna move it, then she's gonna ask you who's been in your seat, bro.
You can put it back, bro.
That boy listens to Spanish music. That boy Dini, multicultural.
Ya tu sabes. So we're not gonna do nothing crazy. We're gonna go around the block here.
Yes, sir. My keys flew out my pocket, bro. And this one's rear wheel drive, so I haven't been in a rear wheel drive.
Oh, really?
No, this is my first time.
All right, well, this is how repair and launch control.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yeah, that's.
But you hear the wheel spin?
Yeah. Even on second. Or it went from second to third and it spun.
Yeah, from second to third.
Damn.
But when you put it in launch control, you actually have it in sequential mode, which you're supposed to shift yourself.
Oh,
but,
okay.
During launch control, it will shift for you.
So, got you.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Yeah, that feels different. I actually haven't like spun my tires or anything on my car yet. Yeah.
Oh man,
I'm getting used to like the car first. I'm babying it, bro.
Yeah.
And I need like an open street because I don't know if it's gonna go a certain way. So,
bro, this car is made for it.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that. It's very hard to. Well, let me not say it's very hard, but it will plant itself. Like, it's not really trying to move.
Yeah.
So unless you're like fucking really like squirrely with the wheel, like you're gonna be fine.
Oh, there you go, green light. Thing sounds so nice, bro.
Oh yeah,
my
man,
goodness.
I fucking love it.
He's giving me a tease of what the mid-pipe sounds like.
Oh my god, this is about to be you.
Listen to those stock burbles, bro.
Dude, I'm telling you.
This car's insane.
I don't have anything yet, like, you know what I mean? Just the mid-pipe and the valve controller, that's it. And that's really all you need if you want, like, sound. But with the Fat Boy downpipes from Mad, bro,
it's gonna sound crazy.
I
can't wait. Couple more weeks, bro.
Yeah, man. So and you know what, though? I can't hear the intakes as much anymore. I will have to, like, drive in a specific way to hear it.
Or maybe with the windows down, too.
Yeah,
maybe a little bit more. I messed up not getting this.
Yeah, man. This is
the parking assist, right?
Yeah, parking assistant package.
Damn.
And it doesn't give you the little thing in the front.
And if your car's at the shop, you could like see around the car.
Yeah,
right?
you can.
Wow.
Well, that's a different thing, actually.
Wait, what do you mean the car wash?
Car wash. You know how you want to line up your tires with the thing on the track? So it literally will like project where your
look at
car's
that.
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't get it because I thought it came with that big like sensor in the grill.
Oh yeah, that's the driver assistance, but
yeah, I messed up.
It's not on right now, but sometimes there'll be a little P right here and you can press it and that's what it will park itself.
It will park itself?
Yeah.
That's wild. Guys, look at this. It's Swan River Racing M4. Look at the headlights. You got the gold details in there to match the wheels. Got the Adro kit. This thing looks insane. Look at that. It's just the details on this, bro. Got the gold emblem with the Dravit paint. Swan River going crazy on this right now. El Ra.
Good job, buddy. Chilling.
That boy got in his car today.
Bro, you get a grill? That shit fire, right?
That shit is crazy. What do you think, bro?
You know, I just want to give a lesson to the kids out there. Drive safe, you know what I'm saying?
Keep your distance.
Stay on cruise mode, you know what I'm saying? No M2 mode. Psych, live your life.
That boy had some work done up here, you know, getting a new grill. It's gonna look insane. He's getting his car today, and I'm getting my mid-pipe. So it's, it's about to go crazy, not gonna lie. Oh nah. GTR went crazy. That shit sounds good, bro. That shit sounds. What do you guys think,
bro? Oh my god.
Much needed. Yes.
Much needed. That's 100% facts. That's crazy. Let's go hear it again, man.
Breaked up. I know you. I know you breaked up right now.
Oh yeah.
Damn, son. I think you need the downpipe for it to be like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you seen the video I had posted of the Lacey guy?
Lacey?
I did the downpipes, the black one that I did. I did a black one for it.
Oh, okay. No, I need the downpipes for sure. Yeah.
The downpipes, and if you're not gonna do the ECU unlock yet, then you gotta just do the what Alfred and Patrick did.
Yeah.
The O2 sensor spacers on the bottom.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do next. For sure. Yeah, it sounds good. I like it.
Beautiful, bro.
I like it. Guys, this thing is insane. Honestly, I just took it to look at the boys out here, bro. IRL did their thing with this mid-pipe. Again, this is the non-resonated single mid-pipe from IRL. I'm gonna be doing the mad downpipes later on. Damn! Swan River over there, bro. That's his whip. Anyway, if you like this video, if you have any questions about the exhaust, obviously I have the valve controller as well. But drop a like, comment, and please subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.